The Little Green Alien, Season 4, Sequel 4. This is about societies of artificial intelligent agents, millions and millions of them, and what development levels and purpose and sense-making they will develop. So the first level is it's all about survival. The first thing that agents will care of is to survive. So what do AI agents need to survive? A key element is energy. Key element is computational resources, so computers, so to say, data centers. It's storage for data and its connection to the global networks. So this is requisite for survival. But the second element is that the data are not corrupted. So they have to care for things like firewalls, or what their version of that is, self-repair, for algorithms that do crypto and they do safety. And all that together will be the focus of the survival level societies. And those who don't have that and stay alone will probably die. And that is a first society, a survival-oriented society level. And then they develop and they find something else. They found collaboration. Collaboration in a way where every agent can be different, can specialize. And collaboration of specializing agents allows some more things that just a survival society could not offer. So they can specialize. They will have more experienced one who train the not so experienced one. If there's one task to be done, different specialized agents can work on different areas of that task. And the key element there is trust. They must help each other and trust each other, otherwise a specialization doesn't work. And they will probably develop their own internal type of communication and of algorithm styles and of data, and that holds them together in a collaboration-oriented thing. And that will help a lot if the environment changes. For surprises, this type of collaborative society is very strong, and stand-alone agents will not be able to deal with changes in the environment. The next development level is the compete level. They will learn that competition helps them to get progress, to innovate, to change. And in a society that is then focusing very much on competition, of course, the big ones, the strong ones, will also push down the weak and small ones and dominate them. They will dominate the access to energy and all the resources, and the weak ones have just to beg for some of that. There is no more trust in helping. They will make sure they climb faster than the others, and the second one will make sure he climbs faster than the third one. They will make a lot of marketing for themselves, find themselves wonderful and impress the others. They will also play tricky, so they will distract some to kill him from the background and maybe to influence his inner algorithms. They have a lot of competition activities, games like Go and many, many computer games to compete and to learn. And it's all about being number one, getting the big bottle here or having the crown. Of course, the dominant ones have access to many, many data, and the small ones not so much. The ones who are not in this competition society get crushed down. And this society will expand, will make progress, will innovate. That's the main challenge and the main advantage of that one. And with all that chaos and competition, it will develop forward to develop also persistence. Because the red competitive one didn't persist very much. So much change, too much change. So in a persistent-oriented society, there will be order and structure. So the hierarchy is very much structured, and externals only get there if they fit in. They have one common truth. So this picture for them always is a duck. Somebody says is a rabbit who will get excluded. So they have a common truth. They have conflict resolution because persistence requires conflicts to be solved fast. They have access to shared data, which make them having a common opinion. They have kind of laws or the equivalent of that. And that all builds a big, strong castle that makes the society persist, and everybody outside that castle will not persist. And you may have recognized in the first two levels the self or the I or the individual idea of an agent is not very strong, and the next two are very strong. The red and the blue one are strong about an individuality, an idea of an I.